pas très chaud, c'est à peine 30 degrés ça.
30 градусов в лучшем случае. Блин. Ох ты, ёбаный, сука, глаз. Это пиздец. Решил ежик душ принять. Attilio, Emmanuel, and Aiden, and me, we're going to very, very high. No, high.
In what sense?
In any kind of sense, you know.
Any kind of sense?
Yeah, yeah. In all sense, we go high. Because we're going to very old ancient village.
Called?
It's right there. Busana what?
Vecchia.
Yeah. It's ancient village which been destroyed by earthquake in the middle of the 19th century. And right now it's rebuilt. And it's a super turbo artistic place, right?
Yeah.
Well, and I hope we're gonna find some J's, right? Big artist right here.
Oh my god.
We're gonna.
Where the fuck am I?
I think here somewhere.
Right a second, wait a second.
About squats. It's all about.
C'è più parcheggio più avanti? C'ho più un cazzo. Vabbè, grazie.
Accompagniamo loro alla barca, poi andiamo via. Andiamo al mare.
Ma c'è pericolo che cade veramente la roba. E non possono fissarla, no, è possibile.
Sabina!
Ah, ok, ok.
Sabina!
Ok.
Yeah. All these ruins bringing a lot of tourists here every year.
Que esté con verde y habitada, sí. Tienes cabrera también. Muy pequeñita.
When I wake up this morning,
isla muy pequeña.
Ivy.
Here's a potential place for you to play the jazz club.
Okay.
Archie. It's like the one in Imperia.
Okay, we're gonna play some rock and roll. Busana Jazz and Blues Club, right? So Mr. Neil's gonna play here. Gonna blow out the dance floor. Girls and boys, we're in a real squat in the top of the mountain in the ancient destroyed village, and the dude, the local, gonna show us where he lives. He's paying like €100 a month, and so he lives there with the 2 kids and wife, I presume.
Whoa! Fuck me, gently.
People lives.
Look at it, the church is completely gone.
Yeah. Shit, man, I got a fucking vertigo, man.
Yeah?
Like.
Moi, je voulais filmer qu'on roule.
It's a super high. High. It's a high. Motherfuckers.
Коптилки 17 часов, потом лишь упал поражен.
J'essaye de voir, on verra pas.
Кать, ты должен пиздить музыку.
So folks, we're in Parma, world famous town for cheese and a ham. Point is to get some weed, point is to meet some people, find out some squats, organize some gigs, you know. But the weather is fucked up, huh?
On va voir Chagall, Malevich, Kandinsky, Reben.
Yeah.
Как насчет картины галереи? On va aller dans le musée du art. C'est mieux, non? Attends ici. Le musée du art pour voir Chagall, Malevich et Kandinsky. Ou tu préfères aller dans le plein de jus? Musée ou plein de jus? Да, нет. Non, c'est mauvaise réponse.